Traveling for an extended period can be both exciting and challenging. One of the biggest challenges is packing efficiently. This guide will help you make the most of your luggage space while ensuring you have everything you need for a successful trip. Choose the right luggage. Size matters. Opt for a carry-on if possible. This not only saves space, but also avoids checked baggage fees and the risk of lost luggage. Quality over quantity. Invest in durable, lightweight luggage with compartments to help organize your items. Plan your wardrobe. Capsule wardrobe. Select versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched. Choose a color palette that allows for easy coordination. Layering. Pack layers instead of bulky items. Think light sweaters, scarves, and cardigans. Multi-purpose items. Bring clothes that can serve multiple functions, such as a sarong that can be a scarf, blanket, or beach cover-up. Use packing organizers. Packing cubes. These help compress clothes and keep them organized. Assign different cubes for tops, bottoms, and underwear. Compression bags. Use these for bulky items like jackets. They remove air, reducing volume significantly. Shoe bags. Protect your clothes from dirt by using shoe bags or old shower caps. Efficient folding techniques can really make a difference in packing. First up, rolling clothes. Rolling instead of folding can save space and reduce wrinkles. Another great method is bundle wrapping. Layer your clothes around a central core. This technique minimizes creases and maximizes space. Let's talk about maximizing toiletries and personal items. Travel-sized products are a lifesaver. Use small containers or purchase travel-sized versions of your favorite products. Solid alternatives are also fantastic. Opt for solid shampoo bars, toothpaste tablets, and deodorant sticks to avoid liquid restrictions. And don't forget about sample sizes. Collect samples of products like lotions and perfumes. When it comes to footwear, less is more. Limit yourself to 3 pairs. 1 pair of comfortable walking shoes, 1 dressy option, and 1 casual pair. A good tip is to wear the bulkiest shoes during travel to save space in your luggage. Utilize all space. Fill shoes by placing small items like socks or chargers inside them. Use dead space by filling gaps with smaller items like underwear or belts. This way, you can maximize every inch of your luggage. Tech and gadgets. Bring a universal charger and an international adapter to keep all your devices powered up. Save space by downloading books onto an e-reader or tablet instead of carrying physical books. And don't forget a portable power bank, which is essential for charging devices on the go. Organize important documents. Store digital copies of important documents like passports and reservations on your phone or cloud storage. Keep all essential documents in a travel wallet for easy access. This ensures that everything you need is in one place. So you're on the go and need to do some laundry? No problem. Bringing a portable laundry kit can be a real lifesaver. Just pack a small bottle of detergent and a sink stopper for those quick washes. And for drying options, consider a travel clothesline or some quick dry towels. These little additions can make your travel experience so much smoother and stress-free. Health and safety essentials. First aid kit. Pack a small kit with band-aids, pain relievers, and any personal medications. Reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated and reduce waste by carrying a refillable bottle. Stay flexible. Adapt to climate. Research the weather and adjust your packing list accordingly. Be prepared to buy. Consider purchasing items at your destination if needed. Test pack. Practice run. A week before your trip, do a test pack to ensure everything fits. Adjust as necessary. Weigh your bag. Make sure it meets airline restrictions to avoid fees. Packing efficiently for a long trip requires planning and creativity. By using these tips and hacks, you can travel light while having everything you need for a fantastic adventure. Embrace the minimalist mindset and enjoy the freedom it brings on your travels.